This is Majestic Deer Creativity Kit from Alton New. This is a specially curated collection of products created to inspire your creativity. In this kit you will receive everything you will need to create stunning holiday themed projects. There are 2 stamp sets as well as a mini stamp set included, which will give you many different options and looks to your holiday cards, scrapbook pages and even home decor. The kit includes Modern Deer Stamp and Die Bundle, Majestic Mistletoe Stamp Set, Snowing Mini Stamp Set, Leaf Garland Die, and Deep Blue Seas Mini Ink Set. An exclusive inspiration guide is also included to help kickstart your creativity. For more information on Majestic Deer Creativity Kit and other available products, please visit us at altonnew.com.